In the world's digital core, every heartbeat is measured in milliseconds. Here, continuity isn't just a promise, it's the platform for everything that matters. But even the most advanced data centers face invisible disruptions that can bring the world to a standstill. These challenges are the blueprint for a new kind of power. Introducing Legrand's Keor MOD Plus, a modern UPS built for one purpose: unstoppable continuity. Here, expertise meets innovation. Every component engineered to drive superior performance and reliability. Adaptive power at the core delivers stable energy even during unpredictable loads. Hot-swappable modules that let maintenance, upgrades and repairs happen without a millisecond of downtime. Advanced cooling, whisper-quiet operation, reducing energy costs. Real-time intelligence that keeps optimal system performance a priority always. A live synoptic viewbar enables you to know how your UPS is performing with just a quick glance. Every detail is now one. Keor MOD Plus, for the most demanding businesses and mission-critical workloads. Now power flows and risks fade. The data center becomes unstoppable. Hot-swappable modules mean zero downtime and maintenance without a single heartbeat missed. Compact by design, Keor MOD Plus lets you improve your power density with flexible battery compatibility, while parallel redundancy feature ensures power continuity so you can scale confidently without compromise. Delivering up to 96% efficiency and up to 99% in eco mode. Keor MOD Plus helps data centers unlock new levels of sustainability. With Keor MOD Plus, access isn't just protected, it's personalized. Multi-level authentication ensures only the right people get in, always. From enabling enterprises to scale IT in real time, to powering critical loads at hospitals, airports, and ports that never sleep. Keor MOD Plus becomes the backbone for every mission-critical industry. Experience Keor MOD Plus. Continuity, re-engineered for the future.